Laundry Day Blues got you down? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not diving into the latest laundry hacks or stain removal tips, although, don't worry, those are coming soon. Instead, let's talk about something that might be causing you a little laundry day blues, a low balance in your Tide account. Now, hold on a sec. Tide account? You might be scratching your head right now. Let me explain. Tide, the laundry detergent brand we all know and love, actually offers a service called Tide Cleaners. It's a subscription laundry service that takes the hassle out of laundry day. They pick up your dirty clothes, clean them professionally, and deliver them back to you all fresh and folded, a lifesaver for busy schedules. But here's the thing, to use Tide Cleaners, you need to have funds in your Tide account. Think of it like a prepaid card specifically for your laundry needs. So, if you're new to Tide Cleaners or haven't used it in a while, and you're wondering how to top up your account, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the different ways to add funds to your Tide account in a few simple steps. Music fades out. Funding your fresh start, ways to add money to your Tide account. Alright, laundry warriors, let's get down to business. Here are the 3 most common ways to add money to your Tide account. 1. The app approach, topping up through the Tide Cleaners app. If you're a tech-savvy laundry hero, this is probably your best bet. Download the Tide Cleaners app. It's free and available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you're logged in, head over to the account section. You should see an option to add funds or something similar. Click on that bad boy. Here's the beauty of the app. You have multiple payment methods to choose from. You can link your debit or credit card, use your bank account information, or even pay with a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Just pick your poison, enter the amount you want to add, and boom! Your Tide account is ready to roll. 2. Web warriors, topping up on the Tide Cleaners website. Not a huge app fan? No worries. You can also add funds to your Tide account directly through the Tide Cleaners website. Just head over to their website and log into your account. You'll find an option to manage your account details, including adding funds. The process is pretty much identical to the app. Choose your payment method, enter the amount, and confirm. Easy peasy, laundry breezy. 3. Calling for backup, adding funds over the phone. Maybe you prefer the human touch, or perhaps technology isn't your strong suit. No problem. Tide Cleaners offers customer support over the phone. You can find the phone number on their website or in the app itself. Once you're connected with a representative, let them know you want to add funds to your account. They'll guide you through the process over the phone, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. Upbeat music fades in briefly. Bonus tip, setting up auto refill for effortless laundry care. Here's a little pro tip for all you laundry planning aficionados. Tide Cleaners offers an auto refill option for your account. This way, you never have to worry about running low on funds when laundry day rolls around. You can set a specific amount to be automatically added to your account when your balance dips below a certain level. This ensures a seamless laundry experience, letting you focus on the more important things in life, like mastering that perfect sourdough recipe. Anyone?